Wonderful morning to all my lovely kids. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. Kids, welcome in your maths class with a wonderful thought. Our today's thought is whatever you do, do it well. I repeat, whatever you do, do it well. Kids, in our maths class, today we are going to learn a new concept and it is very interesting concept. Children, we see many objects in our surroundings. Some are short and some are long. So, our today's concept is long and short. Now we will see objects. What is this? This is caterpillar. Long caterpillar, and this is short caterpillar. Long caterpillar, short caterpillar. Now this girl is holding ribbons, long ribbon, and in another hand short ribbon, long ribbon, short ribbon. Wow, here comes train. Long train, short train. Long train, short train. Now, two pencils on the table. One is long, another is short. Long pencil, short pencil. Now here is two crayons, green color crayons. Upper one is long and lower one is short. Upper crayon is long. Here is two snakes. Upper one is long and lower one is short. Upper one long, lower one short. Now children, what comes another? Yes, two carrots are here. Left one is long and right one is short. Long carrot, short carrot. Long carrot, short carrot. Now, what comes next? Can you guess? Yes, leaves. Upper one is long, lower one is short. Long leaves, short leaf. Upper one is long leaf and lower one is short leaf. Here is two fishes. Upper one is long fish. Lower one is short fish. Long fish, short fish. Long fish, short fish. Now everyone take out theme book 2 and open page number 27. First you have to mention today's date, long and short. Miss Kinney wants you to circle the longer animal. What you have to do? You have to circle the longer animal. Here is one long animal and one short animal. You have to find out longer animal and you have to take help with Mrs. Scribbly and you have to circle that. Short is caterpillar and long is crocodile. So you have to find out longer one and you have to circle it. Now what is next? Mrs. Scribbly wants you to draw one long and one short line. In this box, you have to draw one long line and one short line with the help of your special friend Mrs. Scribbly. After that, take pic, send in response group. Bye bye kids.